Hello my friends, so here we are again in the Austin area, and this home that I'm about to show you, it is located inside the Austin, but this is the South Austin. So South Austin means like, well, there is a highway that goes right in the kind of the middle. The name is the I-35, and south I-35 there is also a highway, and you can see it that is very close, kind of parallel with the river. The river is Colorado River. So it's south the Colorado River and maybe 15 minutes from the highway. So it's really good, well located. So let's check it out.
Play music.
Well, my friends, let's start here. This home is built by Taylor Morrison, and as you can see, this is the motor home, the name. And right now they have some grass because, of course, it's not to sell right now because to show to people. So in that area is where the garage is going to be. But if we go straight, well, we're going to see there is some space to have some, family gather, or maybe a coffee or chocolate with some friends in front of the house. But if we go here from the front door, let's check how it's inside. Okay, so here we're going to see a foyer in this area, and on our left we find a full bathroom here with the bathtub, the sink, the toilet, and at the same time we will have a bedroom here, which is super cozy. I love the colors. It's not a super white, but it's not also very yellow, so it feels very, very cozy. And here we got a window, which helps a lot with the natural light. We got our closet in this area, and as we can see here straight, there is another bedroom. So let's check how is that one. Also notice that there is no carpet here, so many people don't like carpet on the bedrooms. And here it is our second bedroom. Now, in my opinion, this one looks a little bit wider, and the closet looks, well, at least the doors looks a little bit bigger than the other bedroom, but they are kind of the same size. And if we come back here, well, here was the front door. And let's check here. If we go straight from the foyer, let's see what is here. Okay, so we're going to have a half bath in this area, which is good because when you have family and friends coming to the house, everyone needs to go to the bathroom. So it's very close to the living room. And also check that the living room is right next to the dining table. And we also got this open kitchen, which it has a very good, like an open space floor plan. As you can see, it's pretty cool. Also check that here the kitchen, it got 3 chairs, so as you can see that is long. And also over there we have that. It helps us a lot when we are cooking to, to extract all the vapors, and well, when we are cooking that we need to, so many smells and stuff like that. Here in this area we can find the dishwasher, which is very convenient because we are going to have the sink here and washing all the dishes. Of course we need something right next to it. And at the same time, look that this stove is different. It doesn't have the oven down there. It just has the stove here on the top, and the ovens and microwave, we can find them here in this area. And I don't know if you noticed, but the pantry is pretty big. It's a full room here just for the pantry, which is very convenient, especially when you have a big family and you gotta put all the snacks and all the extra food over there. And here is where the fridge it is. A little table here, a little space here maybe for your coffee. Yeah, for the people who likes to drink coffee in the morning. Even though I'm from Colombia, I know people usually assume that I like coffee, but I don't know, I cannot drink coffee because when I was a kid, my parents never give me coffee. They didn't drink coffee, so right now if I drink coffee, it will be, I get sick. Like, I cannot drink it. But yeah, for you who are very lucky that can drink coffee, is that for you. Well, if we see from this angle, we also see how many windows this wall has. If you can see, the entire wall has pure windows. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 windows here, which helps a lot with the natural light, you know, that come in here inside the house. And not just that one, because well, this area for the living room, which it helps a lot with the view. As you can see, super green, and right now we are between spring and summer. It's super beautiful, but also we got more windows in this side, so that helps a lot with the natural light. And I don't know if you can see there, but over there is a little lake in that area, so very cozy if you want to go outside and walk with your, you know, with your dogs, or if you want to go just on your bicycle, or maybe going for a ride with your kids with the little bicycles too. It'll be pretty fun. And here, let's see what is here. Yeah, of course it's me there in the mirror. But let's check here. Okay, so here we got the principal bedroom, and as you can see, this is pretty wide because this bed is a king size, and as you can see, there are more room here and more room over there. So this is a pretty wide bedroom, and also it comes with the bathroom here. Let's see how it looks like. So this bathroom has the own shower in this area, but it also has the bathtub. And a good thing, it also got 2 vanities here, vanity sinks. That is super convenient, especially when you are in the rush. Maybe in the morning, you gotta go to work and everyone is brushing their teeth. It's like, oh my goodness, you can have your own space. And on the right, you're going to find a closet. And let me tell you, this is a pretty good size closet. Like, let's see, we can even keep walking here. And it's still, you can see the amount of space. This is good. And look, no carpet in this area, which some people like the carpet and some people doesn't like, so I'm just pointing. And here, what is here? Oh, it's another little closet, maybe for your towels and storage, you know, we always need that. And on this side, there is another door. I'm assuming it's the toilet little room. Yes, it is. We got a big window here, which also helps a lot, having a window here in the bathroom. I don't know, what is your opinion on that? Let me know. For example, I like having a light, like natural light coming inside the bathroom. What is your opinion about that? Okay, so now that we finished checking this principal bedroom and bathroom, let's see that here in front, it is the washer and dryer, which is super important. Having washer and dryer, oh my God, inside the house is a bless. Because I remember as soon as I moved to Austin, my first time, it was just with my husband, because we moved so fast. We had to live in an apartment, and the apartment didn't have the washer and dryer inside the house. And oh my God, that was super hard just to go outside and see where we can wash our clothes. But yeah, having inside the house is a blast. Now let's see the backyard. I don't know how is the weather where you are living right now, but here, let me tell you, it's amazing. I'm feeling like 78, maybe 77 Fahrenheit. That in Celsius it's like about 28 Celsius. Yeah, like about that, but it feels so good. And look at here, we have a space for having a table to sit in front of the lake, enjoy with your family, and maybe having your little dog coming here and play with the dog, or maybe having a little space here to bring some toys for the kids and the little pool where they can play with the water. And as I said before, you can also go there and walk, like having maybe a bike ride, just going to run in the morning with the lake over there. It's very pretty. Well, of course, this is the model home, but you are going to decide where would you like to build your home, because you decide where do you want your lot, the lot where they're going to build your home. So yeah, it's totally up to you. It's your choice, which is fantastic, huh? I just noticed that I forgot one more side of the house. Look at there, here on the left. There are more stuff to explore. So here, this will be the garage door to come inside the house. This is another closet. More storage here for the family. Maybe the jacket, closet. Well, here in Austin, you won't need so much jackets. Maybe boots. Boots is what you're going to want to have here. And here, we also have an extra bedroom with good light. As you see, there are 3 windows here. And in this station, they are showing you like an office. But this also is extra room that you can use it, I don't know, for your game room. Yeah, the office or studio, depending what is your job. Maybe a storage room. Or maybe for your kids to play and hang out. The cinema room, who knows, whatever you decide, it will be your home. Okay, my friends, so this was the tour for today, but let me know what you think about it. If you like this home, as you notice, this home is just 1-story home. So that is good. It's different from other states, because when I was living in Denver, usually the homes were 2 floors and all the bedrooms were upstairs. But in this case, in Texas, especially, well, here in Austin, also there are a lot of homes that are 1 single story, and it got really good space. Like you can see how wide it is, the home. It make it feel cozy, and it make it feel like you got a space for everything. And also check that many homes that are 2-story homes here in Austin, they got the master room downstairs, which is very important, because today we might be young, but tomorrow we're not. These bodies, when we get older, we going upstairs is going more difficult and more difficult. And also sometimes there are 2 bedrooms downstairs that is not also for the master, it's also for the grandma bedroom. Sometimes we need the extra bedroom there for the grandma, which is very, very important for her, especially if there are stairs in the house. So yeah, so many options where to choose from. And let me know what you think about this home. Would you add something different, or maybe would you change the colors? Would you add some carpet? And like I showed you, I didn't see carpet. Well, not that maybe in the bedrooms at the beginning, but not much. There are not much. So I don't know. Would you add some carpet? What would you add to this home? Well, let me know here in the comments. Also here down below we're going to see the information of this home, what are the options, and also my information. If you have if you want a free consultation, we can also have it. We can have it by Zoom or by call, depending on what you like, or maybe an email, depending what are your needs and wants. And yeah, let me know. I'm here to help you, and remember, the choice is always yours. I'm just here to show you what is available, and yeah, you decide what you want. Thank you. Bye bye.